der mødes Grønland og Danmark med USA. Vi kommer sammen, vi bliver sammen, og vi går sammen. Vi vil gerne dialogen, og vi vil gerne samarbejde. Vi søger ikke nogen konflikt. Men vores budskab er klart. Grønland er...
Well, tensions have just shot through the roof after President Trump demanded U.S. control of Greenland. He's framing it as a national security must-have, especially with rising global competition. First, let's get into the demand and, maybe more importantly, the timing. The president posted this bombshell statement on his social platform, declaring anything less than U.S. control of Greenland is, quote, unacceptable. And get this, this all dropped just hours before senior Danish and Greenlandic officials were scheduled to land in Washington for some really high-stakes talks. Second, the rejection was swift and loud. Greenland's prime minister came right out and affirmed the island is absolutely not for sale. They're sticking with Denmark, NATO, and the EU.
USA og Danmark her og nu. Så vælger vi Danmark. Vi vælger NATO. Vi vælger kongeriget Danmark. Vi vælger EU. Men én ting skal alle forstå. Grønland vil ikke ejes af USA. Grønland vil ikke styres af USA.
In direct response, you've got Congress moving to introduce a bipartisan bill to basically block the U.S. from militarily annexing land that belongs to a NATO ally. And finally, consider the huge geopolitical shift this represents. This whole incident has immediately shoved Arctic defenses right into the global spotlight. And remember, this is all happening while U.S. officials are pulling people from key bases in the Middle East due to increasing threats from Iran. It's a major pivot in focus, straight to the far north. The world is now watching to see how this crisis will rewrite global security dynamics, particularly in the Arctic.